Hi everyone, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me, and I wanted to share with you guys a gift I received from my sister. So if you want to see what that is, guys, stick around. Okay guys, I've always said that I needed a little bit more light in some of my videos, and my goal was to purchase a light kit. Well, I looked up and got a package in the mail, and my sister called me and asked me had I received it yet. And lo and behold, my sister purchased me a light kit. Now, if you hold on, guys, I'll show you what she purchased me. Okay, guys, this is what I received from my sister. I received 2 stands with umbrellas, 2 lights, and then the smaller one with no umbrella. But I can use one of the other umbrellas with it if I choose to purchase another one. Now, this kit came with a bag to carry store your light stands in, and then a smaller bag to carry or conceal or hold or protect your light bulbs. So I want to thank my sister. I'm going to include her picture here. This is my sister, Terrie Donald. She's also a gospel artist, guys. I'm going to include her link to her channel down below and her website where you can check out some of her albums and, you know, give my sister some praise. She's a wonderful soloist. She has 3 albums, working on one now. So I really would like for you guys to check her out. She's also a breast cancer survivor, and she has a single for breast cancer awareness. So guys, I want to thank my sister Terrie for her wonderful gift. And if you enjoy my content, guys, you know what to do. Give your girl a thumbs up, comment, and share her videos. If you're not a member of the Creatively Miss Me family, please feel free to click that red button down below. Once you click that red button, you see a bell. Click that bell. Then a notification screen will appear saying send all notifications to this channel. Click that box. And then, guys, click save. And you will be notified each and every time I upload a video. And also, guys, follow me on my social media accounts. They'll be listed down below on the screen and as well as in the description box below. And as always, guys, this is Stephanie of Creatively Miss Me saying thank you for watching, and you guys be blessed.